こんにちは、桜優です。
Ami desu. So, last year we did a compilation about like regular Japanese accent and Osaka dialect, and it was really popular. So we decided to do it again, and this time we're gonna do it a little deeper and explain a little bit more, so you would understand what it's like.
Yes, and so I'm from Osaka, she's from Tokyo. So Osakaben is, Ami-chan, how do you think they sound like Osakaben?
I don't know. I feel like I think it's more clear, easier.
Yes, I think we speak kind of louder, maybe.
Yeah.
Yes, and our language, accents are very out there, so it's more clear. And then a lot of people say we sound maybe like comedians or sometimes gangsters.
Yeah, a lot of comedians. I think most of the comedians are from Osaka or Kansai Prefecture.
Yes, so Osaka accent is definitely even getting popular in Japan. So I would like you to know at least how they sound like, And so the basic of Osaka accent, it's not so much about using different words. You understand almost all the time. So it's more about how you say things. Could be accents, could be intonation, and could be just the flow of the conversation. For example, I was in a classroom when I was in university. I was in Tokyo, and I had pretty good standard Japanese accent, so nobody knew that I was from Osaka. So one day I had a question, and I raised my hand and said, wanted to get my teacher's attention, and he said, "Sensei," and it sounds weird to you, right?
Yeah.
Because, so how do you say sensei?
Sensei.
Right? It's sensei. So when I say it with Osaka accent, sensei, you hear the difference? So even in one word, it just how you accentuate it or you go up and down, it's different. And so that was a giveaway. People are like, "Are you from Osaka?" It's like, not that I was hiding from it, but that was a funny experience. So there are a lot of words like that. The common words that we use the same words but different intonation would be, how about thank you?
So thank you in Japanese, I bet you know, arigatou.
That's Tokyo way. Osaka way is arigatou. See, the intonation is on the second.
If you spell it out, it's exactly same, but it's just the intonation that it makes a lot of difference. And the other word is excuse me. Like in Tokyo, I would say Suimasen.
I say Suimasen. So again, it's mine is accent is on the very last sen part, but yours was
at first. So you can kind of be like Suimasen, and at the end you don't have to speak that clearly, but it's
opposite. For us, you can say Suimasen. See the sen part, if you hear that part, you kind of get that word was Suimasen, even though the first part was a little unclear. So that's how it's different. And I mean you don't have to use it, but it's good to know, right?
You can watch Japanese comedy. Right? And so we wanted to explain a little bit more, so I will give you a few examples. The first one is wash the hand. In Tokyo, I would say 手を洗う.
We say 手洗う. The difference was we often skip particles to indicate the objects or subjects, which was in this case o. So after 手を洗う, so indicate that wash your hands, right? So we can skip that because it's obvious, but when we skip it, we elongate the vowel after te, hands, so it sounds te arau. See, te arau. So that's very Osaka, right? Yeah, you use it. So maybe there are some other examples.
Yeah, let's say, アイス1、目がかゆい。
目かゆい. So that was アイス1、目がかゆい will be 目かゆい。目 A becomes a little longer. How about this one? Brush your teeth.
歯を磨く。
歯磨く. What else? Ooh, how about bring the guest coconut?
Coconut!
Yeah.
Eating
So-
something.
Yeah. So, well now, she's got the haircut, huh?
Mm.
Yeah. So her hair, ke, is mijikai. So
毛が短い。
I
Short
was-
hair.
yeah. Then I would say ke mijikai. See how it works? So that's a very typical Osaka dialect.